Right people, so it's been a week since we went out in the CRV and killed it in the most pathetic little puddle. Well, yesterday I did a bit of surgery on the old girl, the old grandma, and hopefully she's going to run today, give it a little charge up. So we borrowed a new alternator, stuck the new alternator on there, gave her a little charge. So let's see if the old girl will start. Right people, forget about old grandma, the CRV. The race season's well underway, right? And we ain't got a race car, so I think it's about time I pulled my finger out and sorted this old girl out. Slayer, my 98 EG Civic. You might have seen it in some of my videos in the background. Getting buried under all the stuff in this garage. But I think it's about time that we brought her back from the dead and get the old girl an engine back in there. Because at the minute, she's looking a bit sorry for herself. So yeah, there she is, boys. So I've gave her a little spruce up. Quick 5-minute paint job. With the old trusty Hammerite satin. So she's ready for it. Ready for a fresh donkey to get put back in there. So let's go and have a look at it. Ah, well, here she is, Slayer's brand newly built donkey. A UK B18C4 CSS block, fully built donkey, ready to go in there. Done a nice little mock up there of the turbo setup. It's only cheap and nasty, eBay special, GT35 journal bearing, top mount manifold, you know the deal. Pretty simple build. And hopefully she'll be going out there and hurting some feelings. And if not, it will be going in my CRV grandma. First things first, we've got to jack the old car up. Try and get this engine slid under there. Right people, so I've got it just about strapped to me trolley. I can barely pull it. Alrighty people, well we've got it all bolted up, put back together, got all the bits on there, thrown them right on. Turbos on, intercooler piping's on, radiator's plumbed in. I think she's ready for a little bit of a start. So what do you reckon? So let's see. We've got ignition and fuel pump noises. Come on, girl. First start in like a year. Oh, God. Is she going to start? Piece of crap. Come on. Oh, get up there. Get up there. Alright people, so it's been a couple of weeks since I filmed the last clip there when I dragged the old Slayer out of the garage, threw the front wings on her, and I was going to take her out for a bit of a rip. Well, that was what the plan anyway, but that didn't happen because I left her running for a bit longer, put a bit of a heat cycle through him, and it just kept overheating. So tried that again, bled the coolant, all that jazz, and it did absolutely nothing for it. So I threw another thermostat on it, brand spanker, did absolutely nothing for it. So now I'm going to try a new water pump, which I've got here finally, it's been a few weeks. But hopefully this will remedy the situation and we can get Slayer out on the street. Righto people, so I don't know what I'm doing really with this water pump, taking it off. Never done one before, I don't know exactly how to do it, so I'm just having a bit of a guess. And this is what I've done so far. Took the valve cover off, marked my 2 cam gears to the belt, took the pulley off, and then I've marked there and there on the belt. So next, we'll take the old water pump out. It's time to pull her off. Oh man. Oh, she's a squirter. She's definitely got some spunk round her. Oh, she's on now. She's nice and tight. Time to get the old timing belt on. So, where's my markings at? Blue and blue, and then that one. So nothing's moved. Got her on the pump. Got her on the tensioner. So hopefully she's gonna be in sync. Right, let's see if this thing's gonna start. Hopefully my timing ain't all dodgy and she starts without bending valve. But yeah, topped her off with the old water. Got the old garage door cranked open. So let's have a go. Well, that lasted long. Tell you what, that shit in your eyes is no good. Fucking hell, man, I'm fumed. Alright, I'll put the cap on now. Put the cap on. See if she climbs. Oh no, we've got a situation, people. It's climbed. Why has it done that? Righto people, so a little update. Been running it for about 20 minutes. Letting it get warm, letting all the coolant spill out, all the water. And finally, that pipe's starting to get hot. So that one's red hot. That one's getting hot and you can actually see it moving now. So I think she had a good blockage. Oh God! It's at halfway, that's what it should be running at. Is it going to climb past? That is the question. Is it going to climb past? The heaters, I think the heaters have started going, they haven't. They're not, I don't know. The heaters haven't really started going warm yet, but normally it climbs straight up past that midway point. So, good sign, good sign. Pedal bendage.
Sure, I'll just recalibrate the GPS.
Right people, as you can see, we've finally got the Civic on the dyno, street races. Hopefully she's going to be a runner. Make a bit of power. Yeah, let's have a look. and that, and then we'll go for some power runs, I'd have said. See where she's at. People, as you can see, we've got a runner back on the road, Franco de Mozo. We're testing out the new tune, so let's have a go. Nice and steady. Might make it to the ODUSC. What do you reckon?
I hope so.
We'll drop it down or what? Ain't the best for the Honda. Oh man. Not the best, man. Quick one, quick rip. Right people, quick rip in the ODG. Let's see what she does off the mark. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.
Peace.
Peace out.